Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in regular expressions, match numbers and letters of alphabet. Using the hyphen to match a range of characters is not limited to letters. It also works to match range of numbers. For example, 0 to 5. 0 hyphen 5 matches any number between 0 and 5, including the 0 and 5. So it's inclusive of upper and lower limit. Also, it is possible to combine a range of letters and numbers in a single character set. So, something like this. In this case, we can combine A to Z, A hyphen Z, 0 hyphen 9. Matches all the letters and numbers in Jenny str. So, when we match, it will return the value. Let's see the task for this challenge. Create a single regex that matches a range of letters between H and S and a range of numbers between 2 and 6. Remember to include the appropriate flags in regex. So in this case, we have H first bracket, then H hyphen S, and for digit 2 hyphen 6, and afterward ignore and repeated match. So this will result in, let's first use code sample dot match my regex. Okay, let's see the result. Console.log result, and we get all these values, so it's all good. Let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.